Hello everyone, welcome to our guide on how to add password to Google Wallet. Let's dive right in. To add a password to Google Wallet, we need to create a shortcut of Google Wallet on the lock screen. Here's how. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Lock Screen. Scroll to the bottom and find the shortcut option, then tap on it. In the shortcut section, you'll see two options, left shortcut and right shortcut. Choose the side where you want the Google Wallet shortcut icon to appear. For example, I'll choose the left shortcut. Turn on the option to select the Google Wallet shortcut to show on the lock screen. After a moment, all installed apps on your phone will appear on the screen. Scroll down to find the Google Wallet app from the list of apps. Once you find it, select it. The Google Wallet app shortcut will now appear on the lock screen. You can easily access it after entering your mobile password from the lock screen. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.